How to tag someone in TikTok video. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok, log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find plus button at the bottom. Click on plus button. Then simply take your video. After you're done with video, click on tick mark. After that, on right side, you will find AA option, which is text. Simply click on AA option and you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply type in at and then name of the person you want to tag, and you will find it below. Click on the person and press on done. After that, you can simply adjust this wherever you want. After you're done, simply post the video. This is how to tag someone in TikTok video. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.